projects. In this video, we are going to explain about project title, a knowledge-based recommendation system that includes sentiment analysis and deep learning. The project introduces a knowledge-based recommendation system that utilizes the sentiment analysis and deep learning techniques. Its primary focus is on monitoring users' emotional well-being and identifying the potential psychological issues like stress and depression. The KBRS employs is a combination of convolutional neural network and bidirectional long-short memory recurrent neural network to detect the sentence containing the depressive or stressful content. The project aims to develop a knowledge-based recommendation system using sentiment analysis and deep learning to monitor the user's emotional well-being and identify the psychological depression like depression and stress. The KBRS provides the tailored message such as happiness, calmness to users based on the monitoring result. The methodology involves using a convolutional neural network and bidirectional long-short memory recurrent neural network to detect the sentence with depressive or stressful content. The basic requirements that are needed to build this project. Hardware requirements are operating system as Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, hard disk of 20 GB and above. Software requirement: Python IDEL with version of 3.7. These are the modules that are developed to implement this project. Upload OSN dataset. In this module, users can upload an online social network dataset to the application. The dataset contains messages or posts from users on various topics such as politics, sports, education, personal problems, etc. The second module is generate the train and test model from OSN dataset. This module reads all the messages from the dataset and extract the relevant features to build a train and test model. The features can include sentiment-related information, emotional content, and other relevant parameters. And the third module is build a CNN, BLSTM, RNN model using softmax. In this module, a deep learning model called CNN, BLSTM, RNN is built using the train model from the OSN dataset. The model is trained to predict the sentiment and mental condition of users based on their messages. Softmax is used as an activation function in the model. And the fourth module is run random forest algorithm. This module runs the random forest algorithm for the purpose of accuracy comparison graph with the CNN, BLSTM, RNN model. The random forest algorithm is commonly used for sentiment analysis and its accuracy is compared with the deep learning model. And the fifth module is upload the test image and predict the sentiment and stress. In this module, users can upload the test message to the application. The BLSTM model is then applied to these test messages to detect the sentiment and stress level of the user. If the message contains words indicating stress or negative emotion, the model assigns a negative sentiment and recommends a positive or motivational message to the user. Accuracy graph. This module generates a graph that displays the accuracy comparison between the CNN, BLSTM, RNN model and the random forest algorithm. The graph helps visualize the performance difference between the two models in predicting the sentiment and stress. These modules collectively form a knowledge-based recommendation system that incorporate the sentiment analysis and deep learning technique. The system uses the uploaded OSN dataset to train the model and provide the personalized recommendation based on the user sentiment and stress level. The execution of the project. To execute the project, first we need to open the code. This is the code folder consisting of different files. Here, this is the dataset folder consisting of the trained dataset and the test dataset. And KBRS and NLTK download is the code files and run and download NLTK is of BAT files. To execute this project, first we need to run the double click on download NLTK BAT file, which is used to download the natural language processing API. This API helps in removing the stop words or special symbols from the messages. After downloading and installing this software, you can click on the run.bat file to execute this project. The run.bat file is used as an instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created the Windows BAT file to execute the project. First, double click on download NLTK file. Minimize the screen and double click on run.bat file. Here we get a screen like this. This is the graphical user interface. With this we are interacting with the program, and click on upload OSN dataset. And this button we are going to import the dataset from this folder by clicking the dataset HTML document and click on open button. Here we can see that OSN messages are loaded. After uploading, click on generate train and test model from OSN dataset. And this screen we can see the dataset contains total of 504 messages, and all message contains the 6650 words, and the application using the 438 records for BLSMT training and 66 records to test the BLSTM accuracy or the prediction performance. And click on build CNN BLSTM RNN model using the softmax button. Here the BLSTM model is generated and its prediction accuracy use of 100%, and now we can see the black console. To see the BLSTM accuracy and epoch details. And now click on run random forest algorithm button. Here the random forest algorithm is generated and it gives an accuracy of 36%, which is lower than that of proposed BLSTM accuracy. And now click on upload test message and predict sentiment and stress button to upload test images file. Here we are selecting the test file and click on open button. And this screen we can see that beside each message, application detected and marked with the stress or non-stress status of user happy or unhappy, or deeply stressed or stressed. And this way it recommends a positive message to it. The project concludes that the proposed knowledge-based recommendation system that includes the sentiment analysis and deep learning is effective in monitoring the user's emotional health and detecting the potential psychological disturbances such as depression and stress. The KBRS sends happy, calm, relaxing and motivation message to users with psychological disturbance based on the monitoring result.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.